Ассалаумағалейкум, құрметті көрермендер, сіздермен мен Каз Адик. Менің жанымда
ағам десей,
Естай ағам. Біз бүгін Райан Квадрата кім аз килл жасайды, сол өлең айтады деп видео түсіреміз.
Okay, so I never seen mine, and I don't want to let you run. Oh, still God, I'm your mind. Swear I wanna die, yeah, we cause I don't wanna die, yeah. I'm gonna ride, yeah. I might start a ride, yeah. I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So what's up? Say, feel girl, feel great. I know it's gonna be you, it's you. So it's you. But a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart, don't tear me apart. I know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before.
You gave me a shoulder when I needed it. You showed me love when I wasn't feeling it. You helped me fight when I was giving in. And you made me laugh when I was losing it. Cause you are the reason why I'm still hanging on. Cause you are the reason why my head is still above water. And if I could, I'd get you the moon and give it to you. And if death was coming for you, I'd give my life for you.
Призывай. Senin mölder gözlerin, yerkelip bir gölgenin yolda yine. Kaydasın kayda, jelmegimbe ayma, tabamın kalayda, düşündüm. Oldu. Sarlak battık.
Короче, давай, Мир.
Сіздермен болған мен сосын
Казако дейсің.
иә Казако.
Болып бітті.
Сау болыңыздар.
Айт.